I am Sindhu TG, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Mathematics, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Pattanjatram. Here we discuss the topic linear equation. A differential equation is said to be linear when the dependent variable and its derivatives occur only in the first degree. The linear equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x only. Consider the differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to 0. That is, dy by dx plus dx is equal to 0. Its solution is y into e power integral p dx is equal to z. Differentiating e power integral p dx into dy by dx plus py is equal to 0. This shows that dy by dx plus py is equal to 0 is rendered an exact differential equation. That is, one which can be deduced from its primitive by mere differentiation and no further operation on multiplying it by the factor e power integral p dx. Such a factor as this is called an integrating factor. So, an integrating factor is one which changes a differential equation into an exact differential equation. Now, e power integral p dx is an integrating factor of equation 1. By foraging analysis, multiplying 1 by e power integral p dx, we have dy by dx plus py into e power integral p dx is equal to q into e power integral p dx. Integrating e power integral p dx is equal to integral q into e power integral p dx plus c. This is solution of 1. Now we explain some examples in linear differential equation. 1. Solve dy by dx plus y cos x is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2x. Here p is equal to cos x and q is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2x. Integral p dx is equal to sin x and integral e power p dx is equal to e power sin x. The solution is y into e power sin x is equal to integral half sin 2x into e power sin x dx plus c is equal to integral e power z into z dz plus c on putting z is equal to sin x. That is equal to e power z into z minus 1 plus c is equal to e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c. Next one. Solve x into dy by dx plus y log x is equal to e power x into x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2 log x. Reducing this equation to the standard form dy by dx plus y log x divided by x is equal to e power x into x raised to minus half log x. Here p is equal to log x by x and q is equal to e power x into x raised to minus half log x. Integral p dx is equal to integral log x by x dx is equal to log x whole square divided by 2. Therefore, e power integral p dx is equal to e power log x whole square by 2 is equal to e power log x whole raised to log x by 2 is equal to x power log x whole divided by 2. The solution is y into x raised to log x divided by 2 is equal to integral e power x into x raised to half log x into x raised to minus half log x dx plus c is equal to integral e power x plus c is equal to e raised to x plus c. Third one. Solve 1 minus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to x into root of 1 minus x square, given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Compare this equation to the standard differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. We get p is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x square and q is equal to x divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to integral p dx is equal to minus log of 1 minus x square is equal to log of 1 minus x square whole raised to minus 1. E power integral p dx is equal to e power log of 1 minus x square whole raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Y by 1 minus x square is equal to integral x dx divided by 1 minus x square whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c is equal to integral sin theta divided by cos square theta into d theta plus c on putting x is equal to sin theta is equal to integral tan theta sec theta d theta plus c is equal to in sec theta plus c is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square plus c. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we get c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, solution is y by 1 minus x square is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square minus 1. Thank you.